Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to clone a G chip, the Toyota G chip, using the KDX2. It's a pretty straightforward procedure. It's actually really fast, so I'm just going to run you through it. First thing you want to do is turn your KDX2 on. You want to make sure that it is connected to your KD mobile app. As you can see, I have KDX2 connected with a little blue line next to it. So what you want to do is you want to hit chip function and automatic detection clone. So when you click that, it's going to ask you to put the original key into the coil, which is the center part on it, and then it's going to start reading. As you can see, it says it's a 4D plus large capacity DST80. So it's going to now say for chip decode, click chip decode, and then that's it done. Now it's saying place a 4D large capacity chip in. The chip I'm using here is a HBG chip, and pretty much you want to place it in the coil, or you want to hit copy the chip and place the new chip in the coil. Copy success, and that's it done. Thanks.